Do you want to know how you can log into your Manpower Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Manpower Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Manpower Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Manpower Group. Now if it doesn't lead you to here, it will lead you to this page and you can find the login portal. So if you don't find it, just click on the first link which appeared on your screen. It will take you to this page. Now the first step is to write down your login ID. Go ahead and write down your login ID on the first box. After you write down the login ID, go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure to check your password once you're done by clicking on this icon and then click submit. This way you can successfully log into your Manpower Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you. And if you want to reset or change your password, click on this link. So guys, this is how you log into your Manpower Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.